like an old lady, y'all. I guess this is me with gray hair. Baby, can you hand me that king over there? Thanks, baby.
We're sisters, we're happy and we're singing and we're natural. Give me a high five!
Alright, cut and print. Beautiful girls. Dynamite day.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaniqua and today I'm going to be doing the Aztec clay mask on my natural hair. This is how it looks. So yeah, we're going to be getting started. The first thing you got to do is you got to make the hair mask. So let me read the directions for you guys. It goes a little like this. Mix clay with equal parts of raw apple cider vinegar and or water. Use a non-metal bowl and utensil. Stir the mixture well to a smooth paste. Add more clay or liquid as needed. So that's pretty much it. So they say you can use water and apple cider vinegar. I'm just going to be using apple cider vinegar just because I feel like it'll give it extra benefits. The apple cider vinegar that I'm going to be using is this baby right here. This happens to be my favorite. I love the Bragg's organic, raw, unfiltered. This looks like this. Hope you guys can see that really good. So that mixed with this, and it says you have to use no metal. So I'm going to be using a glass bowl with this plastic utensil to stir it on up. So you really want to get like you want to just get a nice consistency. You want to do it to your liking. I've done this clay mask before and I made it kind of thick, which I learned that when I went to go shower and wash it out, it took a long time. So this particular mixture, I kind of want to make it a little bit more soupy on the thinner side, just so it'll be easier to wash out of my hair. And the thing is, as you guys can see, I have a lot of hair. Like, I have a lot. And it will take me a long time to do it. I can't do it myself, but I also have a very nice sister who has offered to put it in my hair. So I'm not actually going to be doing it myself. I'm going to have a helper, which is my sister Laniqua. If you're familiar with this channel, you guys already know her. But Laniqua, do you want to say hi to them?
What's up, guys?
Come get in and just say hi. Come on, don't be shy. It's okay.
Hi, everyone.
This is my sister. She's extremely shy. Say no. But yeah, that's Laniqua. She's going to be putting a mixture in my hair. But I guess I'm going to show you guys how I make it. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so we got everything we're going to need. We have the apple cider vinegar, we have the clay mask, and we have the utensils. So we're going to start off by pouring the powder into the glass bowl. Again, no metals, guys. Really do not use any metals. So I'm not sure how much I'm going to need. I'm just going to wing it. I have a lot of hair, so I feel like I'm going to need a generous amount. So we're going to see. I'm going to start with that for now. And then apple cider vinegar. So if you want to know where I purchased this, I actually got this from my local beauty supply store. And as you can see, it only cost $7.49 plus tax. And I got this from Walmart. I don't remember the exact amount, but it's not that pricey. So we're going to go ahead and pour it on in there. Oh, can you guys see that? It's starting to bubble and foam and fuzz. Oh, Lord. I feel like I'm doing a science experiment. Oh, yeah. Now I'm about to mix it up. Look at that. Do y'all see that? Hear that? Oh, wow. Wow. Mix it on up. Again, you can go from whatever consistency that you would like. I kind of want mine a little on the watery side. It ensures that when I take my shower and I go to wash it out, it'll kind of just flow on out versus it being really thick and sticky and just kind of stuck in my hair strands. I'm not trying to struggle in the shower. The more clay it is. And I guess you guys are probably wondering, like, why are you going to put this on your hair? Guys, for all those who don't know, this clay mask has a lot of benefits. It's supposed to add shine. It's cleansing. It gives your curls extra poppage. Like your curl pattern is going to be popping afterwards. Super defining. It's a heap of benefits. And I would suggest you guys Google because the benefits are endless. thinking I'm liking this texture, y'all.
So I'm gonna just take this just like this. Should I start with the roots and work it down?
I think so.
Okay.
Or maybe, yeah, I don't know. Y'all see this right now? Y'all seeing this? You gotta coat all the hair strands. And then y'all gonna watch my hair just start to clump up. Y'all gonna watch the curls start coming to life. It is a miracle worker. Alright guys, when you get this stuff on your hair and it's fully coated, you wanted to let it just sit. Do not touch or play with it. Just let it sit and form. Let it harden.
I would also recommend to let it sit in your hair for about 30 minutes to an hour.
Definitely.
And then, you know, rinse it out with warm water. And then follow it with your regular styling. If it's a wash and go, a twist out, braid out.
I'm going to follow up with a deep conditioner. And the best thing about this too, this actually serves as your shampoo, so you do not have to shampoo your hair. In doing so, you might actually make it too dry.
Oh yeah.
Because this is a cleanser. So this is cleaning my hair as well. So when I wash it out, I'm just going to do like a conditioner. Then afterwards, I'm a deep conditioner. Alright guys, so this is my hair about 70% dry. It's not fully dry, but it's been over an hour. And I'm just ready to wash this out. So I'm like, let me show you guys the results. It's crunchy. Some spots are really dry and then some stuff is still a little wet, as you can see. But I'm just ready to hop in the shower because I feel really messy. This hairstyle, this clay mask is super messy, so beware. I just got it all over me. It's dripping down my neck. It's just everywhere. It's on the floor a little bit. But I put a towel down because I was prepared ahead of time. Oh, I will suggest you guys, if you're going to do this, make sure you're prepared. Put towels down. Do everything that you can because it's going to get messy. But yeah, so I'm about to just go hop in the shower. Once I rinse everything out, deep condition, I'll come back and show you how my curls are looking. But I look like an old lady, y'all. I guess this is me with gray hair. Baby, can you hand me that king over there? Thanks, baby. Guys, so I am back, and as you can see, no more gray hair. So I rinsed the clay mask completely out of my hair, and I deep conditioned, and I washed it all out. And now this is just freshly washed hair. So if you compare my hair from the beginning till now, I'm pretty sure you can tell the difference. And if you can't tell the difference, I can certainly feel the difference. When I say my hair feels a lot softer, oh my god. And as you can see, I'm working with some shine and my curl pattern is popping more. Or is it all in my head? It can't be, because to me, I can tell a big difference. So from this smile, you can tell that I am super pleased with the results. Like, my hair is popping. It's popping. It's popping. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments. Let me know if you can actually tell the difference. Comment below and let me know. And then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you made it all the way to the end, you might as well hit the subscribe button. If you just want to see more content from me, hit the subscribe button. And do not forget to hit the bell, because that's how you get notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, bye bye. Deuces.